Hey guys, this is Nick from Nexus Property Management, Worcester. Just coming today to show you this new property that we have for rent right now. This is 49 Cutler Street, Unit 3. And this is a 4-bedroom, 1-bathroom on the 3rd floor in Worcester, Mass. And I just want to start off by showing you what it looks like when you first come in. So this is the first bedroom on the right facing the street. All the other ones are going to be a little bit back there. And something you're going to notice is they're all really big. At least if you've been looking at a lot of 3-deckers in Worcester, you'll notice is that the square feet inside each of the bedrooms is really nice, and it doesn't really compromise on that in the other spaces either. The living room is really big, the kitchen's really big, so very nice sized apartment. Gets lots of light, as a lot of these 3-deckers do. But the shape helps it too, because it's got this corner here and it lets light in from both places. There you've got some of the forced air heating in one of those vents, and this is a closet. I'll try to show as many as I can. This is more of like a utility, just to like access the gas and stuff. So I'll try to take a look at this closet too. Okay, we saw it. Yeah. So closet in the first bedroom and in the second, third, and fourth. So we'll look at the second bathroom here. The second bedroom. All of these are easily big enough for, big, honestly, king size bed with, like, if you had some TV and some dressers to also put in here. Really nice to see that. This is another closet here. This one actually extends a bit into the wall, so it's a bit bigger than the one in the first bedroom. And over here we've got the kitchen. So this is the one with the updated vinyl flooring in here. Got the bathroom behind me. The appliances is the fridge and the 4-burner gas stove. Got the sink over here with the cabinets. And a really big kitchen, easily could fit like a big kitchen dining round table right about where I'm standing. And this is kind of how you get to the rest of the whole apartment. So bathrooms over there, galley, kitchen, and then bedroom number 4, bedroom number 3. We'll take a look at the bathroom. So it's actually got a lot more space in here, because there is kind of like a walk up to the sink and the toilet. Yeah, so that's the bathroom size, and then it's just over here for the shower. Nice medicine cabinet above the sink. It's kind of got a vanity. And yeah. So that's the bathroom. Now we'll go take a look at this 3rd bedroom. Yeah, here we are. So this is it. It's about the out of all of them, this might be the smallest one. Still a good size and gets a lot of light. Nice amount of outlets in here, I'm noticing too. So the electricity is wired up pretty good. And finally, there's the this is the entrance that goes to the back door. So you close that, and then there's just another walkway to go through with some extra cabinets as well for extra storage. And this is the 4th bedroom here. This is probably about the same size as the 3rd bedroom too. You can take a look at the closet. It's got the biggest closet, so this one kind of goes all the way down. And yeah, that was 49 Cutler Street, Unit 3 in Worcester, Mass. If you want to see all of our available units, you can go to www.nexuswor.com. And this has been Nick from Nexus Property Management, Worcester.